day. It's been sprinkling here and there, so it's cooled down and the air is just so nice. Now this little town is called McMellin, and it's in Mongolia County. That's all I know. I just saw it on the map and said, let's go. So here we are. And I looked on Wikipedia and there was like no information, so it might not even be anything. But I've noticed a lot of the small towns, the very small towns, there isn't any information at all about them. It's one reason I'm doing this. So let's see if there's something here. That's a beautiful tree. It's like a weeping willow, but I don't think, is it? I believe so. It's a large weeping willow. Maybe they're part of the same family. It should be here. I don't see any signs. It's unincorporated. It's getting close to the Pennsylvania border. Look at that. See the bridge? This should be it. McMellin, M-C-M-E-L-L-I-N. That's what it said on the map. Well, now we're heading towards Springhill, Pennsylvania. Yep, Springhill Township. Oh, look at this beautiful old church, and they're packed. And they have an old cemetery right next to it. And look at their old bell. Sunday morning. It's beautiful. Springhill Furnace Presbyterian Church. Springhill, Pennsylvania. Okay. I think this is Springhill. We might be in White House. We also have a garage sale.